Chags, welcome to Munchie Monday. Our first dish is garlic bread, made by VJ. Thanks to VJ, looks good. Now we have honey chicken made by Sam.
Hello students, this is Sam, and today we're gonna learn how to make honey chicken. Here's our materials, and it's same as the orange chicken. Let's see how we do it.
We need flour, starch, sugar, water, olive oil, tomato sauce, cooking wine, baking soda, salt, honey, eggs, chicken breast, black pepper. First, we cut the chicken into small pieces, put it in a bowl. But always be careful of using the knife. And sprinkle a little salt, cooking wine, black pepper, water, and stir evenly and set aside. Then make a batter. First, mix the flour, starch, salt, baking soda, eggs, water in a large bowl, and then add the oil and stir once. Put chicken in the batter and stir. Raise the pan and heat the oil to 180 degrees. Put the stirred chicken one by one into the pan and fry the golden brown for about 3 minutes to get off the pan. Then we make a thick and sweet sauce. Sugar, ketchup, honey, water, and stir evenly. Put it into the pot. Stir the sauce back and forth. And add the fried chicken nuggets and continue to stir for a minute evenly. Then it can be out of the pot. Sprinkle some white seasoning seeds. Put it on. Taste it. You'll never forget.
Yum! Jacob will be making our final recipe, marshmallows. That marshmallow looks amazing. And that's all we have for today's show. Tune in tomorrow for more at home with TJTV and catch us next week for more awesome recipes.